Everybody Force here, ripping 21-22. Leaf Pro Multisport 1 box number 4. Random hits. That'll give me just a second. We'll go ahead and start the break. We'll type in the hits as we go along. Random off at the very end to see who gets what. Good luck, y'all. Alrighty. Signature was like out of the bag. I didn't see it. I put it back in the bag real quick.
Give me a hint.
I didn't see what it was. I literally did not see what it was.
Can you give me a hint?
I saw the serial numbering. So now I will give you a hint. You got a Mickey Mantle 6-way jersey card, 5 of 12. Hallowed Heroes. Mickey Mantle 6 of 12. The Mick. One of 3, Jim Kelly, auto, rite of passage. Jim Kelly. So again, everybody, we're just trying to fill up Impeccable Basketball and a couple of half-case PYTs of Select Football. So I'm going to get you a link for Impeccable. 11 to go, 2 teams for spots. One of 7, rite of passage, auto, Allen Iverson. We'll smudge on the first part of his signature. There'll be personals here after group breaks tonight, whenever we finish. Should be midnight, 12:30, somewhere around there. 1 of 7, auto, Allen Iverson. Next up is a Ted Williams Hallowed Hero 6-way jersey card, 8 of 12. I believe so. Yep, still room. Next up, rite of passage, auto, Dan Marino, 3 of 3. Dan Marino, auto, 3 of 3. Got a Sadio Mane jumbo patch, 1 of 6. That's very nice. A Liverpool Sadio Mane patch. I don't know if we have any Pearl in stock. Honestly, don't know. I think it's all just for group breaks now. We did have some last week that it got ripped fast. Quarterback bling auto, Peyton Manning, 30 of 41. Yeah, that Mane was sick. Quarterback bling auto, Peyton Manning, 30 of 41. Sheriff. The Sheriff. Next up is Joe Montana and Steve Young dual jersey auto, 1 of 4.
That's pretty cool.
Montana Young, the 2 best Niners QBs to do it. Super Bowl winners, both of them. Nice 1 of 4 there. Dual jersey auto. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, is that the cuts? Is that a cuts and interest too?
Got 2?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, I gotta play double. Oh, no.
Donnie's gonna play double now. These things keep getting caught on like flaps in here, so I'm like ripping the box apart basically because these things just keep getting caught. That is a KG auto 2 of 8, Kevin Garnett. Kevin Garnett, auto 2 of 8. All right, I don't know what to do here. There's 2 cut signatures, I believe. 2 cuts. This one's got letterhead on it.
What does that mean?
Like it was typed up by a typewriter and then signed.
Oh.
7 of 10. William Howard Taft, authentic cut signature.
Oh, we just talked about him.
President or no?
Just do the next one. There.
It is Howard, right? I said H. I said Howard. Is H for Howard?
We had one of the Tafts, right? I just
Donnie
don't remember his...
Is this a president or no?
I'll say yes.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
7 of 10 on the Taft. Very cool. It says affectionately yours, William H. Taft.
Who's writing the letter to?
Larger than a raft. Yeah. All right, good. I just said I could have made up some name. William Herman Taft. Just shooting out names. William Hermione Taft. That's what it would have been. All right. 3 of 3. That's low numbered. Thurman Munson. Authentic cut signature. Ooh.
I'm gonna say no.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh.
Donnie went 3 for 3.
Ooh.
Thurman Munson. That is very cool. Passed away young. Cut signature, Thurman Munson, 3 of 3. Wow, that's awesome. 2 cut signatures, y'all. I went 3 for 3, you guys.
I was only unsure on one.
Yeah, I thought so too, Illegal. I thought so too. I thought so too. All right, here we go. Random time names, and then the hits. Same amount of times. We'll put them side by side. 3 and 1. We'll go 4 times here. I think I seen and Leaf Pearl Hockey. I think I saw 2 in 1 box before, but those were better. The one was like a not as important like politician from somewhere, I think, and the other one was pretty good. But those are both very cool. All right, 4 times in the names first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Miles H down to Hilton T, and 4 times on the hits. 1, 2, 3, and 4. KG down to Montana and Young. Yeah, we'll have to leave Donnie alone now. If he's going to get Thurman Munson, then we got to move on. You can't stump the Schwab. Got Miles H, KG, Jeffrey R, Ted Williams on the patch card, John A, Mickey Mantle patch to 12, Mike B, Dan Marino auto to 3, Tyler B, Jim Kelly auto to 3, Hilton T, AI auto, Mike B, Peyton Manning auto, Nicholas S, the Taft cut, congrats Nicholas, Kyle P, the Thurman Munson cut, Shintat, the Sadio Mane patch, and Hilton T, the Montana and Young dual patch auto to 4. We'll get those results posted to the site. Moving on to basketball.